This is a reminder.
Yeah, this is me, F the O, the O initials. Yeah, stating, look at these beauties. These tractors under £10,000, £2,000. Look at that tractor over the shoulder. 1,500 minimal one piece. Look at that tractor, £8,000. This is not what they're selling, stuff like that. 60,000 brand. Like bomb. And then look at this thing. Oh, what the heck that? 1,000, where's that? What's that yellow? What's that? Yeah, 2,500, look at 2,500, 3,500. Track 1,005. Look, 700 baht for a tractor, 719, brand new. 2,000 for big dump truck, big. Rocks. Yeah, 2,600, 1,000 in that, 1,600, rocks. And look at them, this now. Yeah, yes, I am very five-starring you. 19,000 by now, that's respectful. Look at that, the same kind of one who I clicked on is going to go there, mate. Look at that, let's take a close-up. Oh, look at that, you go that dump truck for 1,500. Oh, in the back bush. You don't know what's going on. It's a combine, the little combine. Let's go. Let's see the video. Let me see the video. Yeah, wiggle that back. Yeah, scoop that for 1,500. Scoop that blood. Blood all that field, yeah. Don't touch them for 1,000 leagues here, right? There's the price. The mother said, don't you say, John, I was sending inquiries. Me love hot them. Okay, but for now, yeah, you understand. Let me do one more time in one go, like two birds, one video. That's a mini tractor. Look, £800. £800. Look, free shipping mini excavator. 863 pounds. Shipping to be negotiated. You just said free. Minimal order 171. Height. Yeah, little blue one. Like, yeah. You be like, subscribe. You're putting giant robot arms, the big monkey, the major. What a minute they're gonna need each arm. Okay, yeah, let's one more. Let's look at some combine harvester. Go straight to that bar with honest buyers. Okay, 19,000. You do me go. Oh, look at that fresh at 1,000. 1,450. Fresh. And 12,000 at the bigger block. This bad boy, look, 1,000 harvesting machine in weight. Look at, let's clip him. But to get a little push one by hand, what, 600 pound a bush when you can drive? Your own little acres, because Island saying doing 500 pound acre. Yeah, something cheap is the average is 12,000 pound. That's 43,000 square foot. And then to put in one of these bad boys on, like, yeah, look, you got a sunroof. That's made there. Look at that fresh, y'all. For 2,000, that's 2,000 in 2,500. And let's buy 5 pieces and it come down to 1,400. But you don't need 5 pieces. What, you got 5 guys? Yeah, like what acres? Like, check out them widths. Check out that rotation speed, main fuel consumption, what number of shifts. Operating efficiency, yeah, real efficient. Maximum travel speed, 0.9 is not kilometers. Oh, yeah, but there's farming speed. Yeah, because no, it's even America, they're saying their acres doing 2,500. I say 2,000 pound, 10,000 pound an acre. Yeah, like that's some of the cheapest, yeah, but Bolivia still doing 100 Bolivian dollars, which equals 10-11 pounds for 43,000 square foot. Like you can put like per cornstalk. Let's check these bad boys out. Yeah, walking out today, note the old words today, look at that corn on the right hand. Yeah, catching that salt and surf to the side. Where's the cornstalk guy? Just lays down, it disappears into ether. Disappears into ether. Honestly, where is it? Look how tall it, where's it gone? You don't know if it's like bomb, what alien UFO there. Hey, you see that's the bad boy. That's the fries, that's the salt. Yeah, they're nice. Look at that. If I move the 7, nah. If you want just one, or you buy 50, yeah, come down to 60 and that. You know, like wholesale on even 1,000 baht, 1,200. You know, say you walk your 43,000 for it's 8 miles. It's 8 miles, 43 that you're buying for like the 2,000, 10,000 in America, Ireland, St. Ivory, the top one there. Lithuania is doing 35,000, as Alexa said. Australia's doing 1,500 pasture land. There's a grassier thing, and 5,000 an acre for crop. And so you keep on adding up because even you plant per foot, yeah, and it makes a pound a plant. Yeah, like how many cornstalk on it, how many apple seeds or potatoes they cut in half in of YouTube. Seeing how they cut potatoes in half and put them in the mud. Yeah, saying like, bomb, what's that worth? What's the price of perfume? How much perfume the flowers? Like spreading seaweed by seeds online, or like potatoing and buying cotton in bananas planting. How many bananas are growing a banana tree that grows from banana planting in it? Yeah, where people need to look into, and then they're straight saying 5,000 cropland, 43,000 for. Even so, get some of them saying that they're reclaimed the abandoned acres, like nobody wants to go out there. Look at that big bar for bottom here. That big bar, 26.5. Let's have a look. Yeah, we're honest people. We're just looking. We're just looking like bomb. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Those, oh, nice opened up. Nice opened up. Those are the eggs. That's what brings home the meat, the bacon. That's what gets the bacon. Look, these are little ones, women, and other people can use it all from the just drone from home on the Camelot, bam. And look, you got little tiny people who be like driving it, look like the robot was, where you're cutting grass in your acreland, on your Australian cropland. Cuts grass. Let's go, let's see, grass and other thing. Let's see the video. Yeah, go Dark Queen, wherever the brand are. Go Dark Queen. Say what's reviving Baba woman the farming little digger. Got a little digging. Oh, extend out for the people. Oh, let's turn on the spot. Show them how you go, roll. You got a camera this now. Oh, look how far that cutting parts. Cutting parts right out. Some people say, why you got the bush? Some say, why not? Some say, let's clearing through a sea of grass. Like, go lads. Yeah, that was everything it lived up to. I got Love Heart, that product where people gonna remember Love Heart, and then Love Heart in the product. Yeah. Okay, there's 5,000, there's 4,000, 3,000. Look at that for that big F. That's beautiful. One price. Oh, second hand, but it's still like good, really, really good. 5-star. Look, I must 5-star these beauties. Like, we are interested. We are interested. And look at this crop like bomb, like share through like watch it, girl. Yeah, let's cut in the Reaper. See, look at them, like people in the acre, like large, because where you can say, yeah, you can test that. So look at that, go. Cut. Yeah, like bringing in that wheat. You use it for biscuit and noodle. You got the biscuit noodle, like cardboard for the straw with the cardboard. Yeah, and then what packaging you find online with eBay, yeah. Saying that the boss has got protection. There's a boss that made that same. So what you got to danger, huh? Okay, yeah, let's do one more. Let me love hunt this one. And then You can see how much you have to go through. Last 1 or 2.
This is a reminder.
There's a cement mixer.
design
Yeah,
some
there's a what I found
robots
things
and
for like under £1,000. Like big combines and stuff. Cement mixer.
This is a reminder to design some robots and peripherals.
Hey, let me write the ears. Cause be like,
This is a
yeah,
reminder
slow down that
to
guy.
design some
The
medical
cement mixer,
engineering.
yeah.
If you finish this,
Big
just
block,
let
block.
me know you're
Like,
done with the
man.
reminder. Otherwise, I'll remind
Okay,
you.
you showed that dad was there 6 times, but there you go. Oh, wait, not yet, too far, not yet. Let's see the oh, too far.
This is a reminder.
Oh, let's see a little bit. Aha!
If you
Now
finish
about
this,
51,000
just
is
let me know
cheaper.
you're done with the
Let's
reminder.
put the word truck
Otherwise, I'll
where it
remind
does
you
matter. Where it does matter. Yeah, let
This is
them
a
search
reminder
already.
to
Rum,
try
rum.
to exercise.
That's right, bring
If
it
you
down. We
finish
want to
this,
see the
just let me know
2,000.
you're
The
done
what
with
the?
reminder.
What's that? What's that? Where's it going? Where's it going? 300 pounds. What's that? A rolling cement truck. Now, look at this. Look at this. You're hiding them from me, Johnny. You hide. Look. He's got the boot. He's got that what goes there. Okay. Straight in the cement, mate. Yeah. There we go. Tanuki truck. Why you cheap? But you, why you dandy? They had a one van. Let's look at them because we respect them old, them old dogs. Respect, respect them old dogs for what's this? 1 unit 775. But by 6 we didn't know. We're gonna love it, but is no this cement truck. Look, this one occasionally 3,000 liters. You can't go wrong, but where was you? How many weeks and months getting by like look how long that is. What's that? What's that about? That's a junkie. That's right, we're mixing up that milk and that paint, mixing up that cement. We got love a hot dash. Yeah, and then gonna keep on going to a season, like, oh, love a this, love a that, and submitted successfully. Thank you. Yeah, good look, this cement truck, it said 44 bar, is another Suzuki truck. 51, but they really good, look. That one's in the back of a little van or pickup. 2,800, can't really go wrong. Got them horsepower, you got them treadmills. Oh, they had cheaper, yeah. I should put under £10, please. I'm a respectable customer. Let's see here. Oh, come on, you give us a little front shot. A little front shot. What you talking about? Where it goes, £6,000. Yeah, but not. Excuse me, £6,000. Get out of here, because even when I find it for £1,000, yeah, you gotta keep looking. Yeah, you'll find one for £1,000. There was the.
This is a reminder.
Oh, okay, and then one of the last ones, yeah, but we love everything, Alibaba, Alibaba. And then it's like harassment. It's you got governments, Alibaba's like catering governments, like, you need tractor. Yeah, people need tractor. You can tell what's wrong. You like, you place your hand upon your person with, you need tractors. And you place it back and double check. Yeah, you need tractors. Yeah. That's the man is his. That's the man is There's the renovation. Yeah, like, right on. Let's do some forklifts for the lads. Let's show these forklifts like Bob. Let's see, fork left. Yeah, fork left. Look. Fork left. We got for lads. We got for lads. We got the Charlie. Oh, cherry pickers, that's me. That's it. I love the cherry pickers. They're like, yeah. 400, isn't that 479 pounds? Right now, I have the zoning. Yeah, I'm gonna love her. One says the 1,000 here, but by 5 it come to 8. Yeah. Look at that forklift, yeah, 950, 20 ton. Yeah, for 950 by 10, but if you buy just one, two, 1,900, 1,109. Come on, mate, you can buy how many bicycles, how many electric bicycles, like yeah. And then you got mechanical sign, people. Scissor lifts, one 790 pound, maybe like, yeah, rising supplies up, like, rise them roofs, rise them supplies, ride on forklift, 2,000, and that. 5 cents minimal, that's what I'm talking about. A little electric forklift. Cause you ain't lifting these little 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 ton, 2-piece man. 2-piece. It says a pair to become one. When you need the forklift for under £1,000, go to Alibaba.com and take care, yeah. If you look around at your price range, be and read the description. What kind of customer there? Say things back. Well, look at this, like meaty, one piece, 497 pounds. I would send inquiry, maybe it's a respect. But if you are interested, take his head and they like, what, it's just delivery, like, you know, say here with delivery back. If they say, like, I'm delivery, if you look, oh, it's a French, say. They're doing business in China. Everyone there, look at that big forklift, that big mama jammer. A no screenshot and this girl, look, it says hiding behind the picture. Screenshot, hi. Screenshot, okay. Well, so far I did the world of things that I do. Okay, for now, I leave Alibaba respectful. Oh, but wait first. Diamond making for the ladies. Let's see if I find some diamond making. Yeah, diamonds? Diamond making machine because you get the synthetic diamonds. Diamond manufacturer. Okay, let's see. Can Alibaba make up to the country? There we go. Diamond making. Oh, wow. Factory hot to sell jewelry. Customer small. It is a diamond press machine. Oh, it press the diamond for 1,559,963 pin. This one automatic assembly shipping. I don't understand if it's making the diamond. Which one is the making the diamond? Let's say lab-grown diamonds here is for 154,000 pesos. But I think that was cheaper. But keep a looking at it. Because you can put together a small one. Diamond making microwave plasma CVD diamond making machine. Let's ask Alexa what's CVD. Alexa, what's CVD?
Shuffling AC/DC and similar artists on Amazon.
No, Alexa. Alexa. Well, Alexa's got her back there because shit. Maybe girls like diamonds. But I'm sure it's something like carbon, something, diamond making machines and yeah, because this what called real this is now real shopping what they supposed to have this in this corner shop. There's like all the 50 like on Amazon, £50 projectors and what attracted to. And what about pieces? You know, you got Amazon Fireboxes, Alexas. You got carbon tester, carbon there's not in the shops. Carbon there's not. Got the sewing machine, £35. Cause some places can't, doggos, yeah. But some places that's not something else. But for now, legal terms and conditions apply. How